Wanna know how to report technical problems in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's go straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application, and once you've done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So on the bottom right side, you should be seeing Mini. Just simply select Mini right here. And once you have done that, here you should be seeing settings. Just simply head towards settings and scroll down. So once you scroll all the way down, and here you should be seeing safety. And right under safety, you should be seeing report technical problem. So you can just simply select it. You can just simply hit towards the chat or just a simple interface and just select your device and then report a problem as it's suggested right here. And once that is done, your report of anything should be there and you should be good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day. Let's see you in the next one.